If you want to render a composition in Media Encoder, first select the composition you want to render. Go to Composition and choose Adobe Media Encoder queue. You can also use the shortcut Control or Command, Alt, and M. This will open up the Media Encoder software. In the encoder environment, you'll see your composition listed. Another way to add compositions to the render queue is to select them in After Effects and drag them into Encoder. Keep in mind that you need to run Encoder first if you haven't already. Now let's talk about how to render and in which video format. For websites, the most common choice is MP4 with the H.264 codec. Just choose H.264 from the first drop-down menu. To adjust settings and view presets, go to the second menu and select the Match Source High Bitrate option. If you have previously run a preset during rendering, you may not see the Match Source High Bitrate option, but instead see the latest used preset. Don't worry, as it always opens the same window. A window will pop up showing the export settings. You can find several formats such as Facebook, Twitter, Vimeo, and YouTube under the Presets drop-down menu. These formats can save you a lot of time since you don't have to adjust them every time. But if you want to adjust the file's size, just scroll down and find the bitrate settings section. The easiest way to achieve this is by changing the encoding to CBR and reducing the target bitrate. You will notice the estimated file size changing. Note that this may not be 100% accurate, but it should be close enough. You can also render your content in GIF format by selecting Animated GIF from the Format drop-down menu. This format is commonly used for websites to display animations. Then you need to set up the export's location by clicking on the output file name. Finally, click the green play button located at the top right corner, and the encoder will render all the listed assets. You can watch the live render on the bottom side of the screen. To locate the saved files after rendering, click on the Output File Location link, which will open the folder containing the files.